Hi, my name is Jake Feasy. I'm here to introduce myself as your salesman. Just to let you know, our production team has made this video especially for you. I hope you like it.
Hi Connor, this 2016 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab comes equipped with a 5.7-liter engine and automatic transmission, halogen headlamps, fog lamps, power heated folding side mirrors, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a sports performance hood, a trailer hitch receiver, and a granite crystal exterior. Aside from your standard features, this vehicle includes a remote start system, automatic headlamps, power adjustable seats with lumbar adjust, a universal garage door opener, a rear power sliding window, steering wheel mounted audio controls with cruise control, a touchscreen media center with AM and FM radio, Sirius satellite radio, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth, a rear backup camera, an MP3 input jack, a USB port, a 115-volt power outlet, a powered sunroof, and a premium Alpine audio system with 9 amplified speakers. Also Connor, the interior features an all-leather seating with premium stitching and rear folding seats. As well, the front seats are both heated and ventilated along with a heated steering wheel.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope it really helped. We look forward to talking to you soon.